The sense of hearing. Restore. Guided Meditation Day 7. Feelings. Feelings give us the ability to express our emotions. Emotions are energy. Energy should move freely throughout the body. Then the body will be healthy. It often happens that almost every person has some kind of stagnation in their feelings. For example, it is difficult for a person to express feelings or love or simply enjoy life. This suggests that at some point in a person's life, some negative events or experiences have occurred in this feeling. Accordingly, it will be difficult for a person to express their feelings. In order to heal from a stagnant feeling, each of the 12 basic human feelings needs to be revisited, realized, and renewed. 12 human feelings. First, the sense of hearing. Second, the sense of touch. Third, sense of life. 4. Sense of speech. 5. Sense of taste. 6. Sense of warmth. 7. Sense of thinking. 8. A sense of charm. 9. The sense of movement. 10. Sense of self. Sense of self of another person. 11. Sense of sight. 12. Sense of balance. In the next videos, we will work with the sense of hearing. Let's start a meditation practice. Please sit comfortably. Straighten your back. Relax your body. Let go of all thoughts and worries of the day. Close your eyes and follow me. Feeling of hearing. Internally, direct your energy to the ear area. Try to feel your ears. Next, direct your attention to the center of your head. Feel the crown of your head and take a deep breath and deep exhale. Next, direct your attention to the heart area, the Anahata chakra, and listen to what you will hear now. What the heart tells you. At first, there may be silence. Listen to the silence. Please pay attention to every word and thought that will come from the heart area. Listen to your heart. Listen to yourself. Continue. My dear friend, to hear yourself, to hear your inner voice, to hear your intuition means to hear the truth, your truth, what the universe, your higher self, your angels want to tell you. Keep listening to your heart and remember, the universe loves you.